the proximal or the superior. So wherever is the head, humeral head, one ang superior or proximal. Below that, one inferior or distal. One. Whereas medial and lateral, so asa na face ang head, onto ang medial side. Here. So therefore, this would be the medial side, this would be the lateral side. Here. Where's the anterior and posterior? So try to observe, asa to ulit random fossa, one and ang posterior. So here, larger fossa here. And then tubercle, you have this lesser tubercle, asa the lesser tubercle, that will be more the anterior part of the humerus. Here, okay. So parts. Okay. So this one would now be your head of the humerus or your humeral head. Okay, lateral to the head, you now have the neck of the humerus. And we call this neck now as the anatomical neck of the humerus. So base is the anatomical neck. Because you still have another neck then, which we're going to discuss that later. So anatomical neck of the humerus. Lateral to the neck, you have two lateral greater in size and more lateral. We call this now as the greater tuberosity or greater tubercle of the humerus. Then a little bit anterior niya, and smaller siya. And a little bit below, so you have your lesser tubercle or lesser tuberosity of the humerus here. And between the two tubercle, you have a certain group. We call that group as the bicipital group. Okay, bicipital group. Or some would call this also as your intertubercular group. Because between the two tubercles. Here. Okay, then, and then posteriorly, Anisha, there is a certain groove there where your radial nerve passes through. We call this groove as the spiral groove or your radial groove. So you mentioned sa lecture. Radial spiral groove. Just want to point out mention there sa lecture. And then, a little bit lateral to that, when siya here, more siya move. So you now have your deltoid tuberosity, where your deltoid muscle would insert. So now siya more on the lateral side. And siya yung protrude or morafen on the lateral. So that would now be your deltoid tuberosity. There are times you get siya clear. So this is where your deltoid muscle will insert. Okay. Further below, Anisha, although I think I mentioned is a palpation, we call this now as the supracondylar ridge. Okay, it's found a little bit above some of the condyles and fingers. So, it's one in the near supra, it's above. So, you have it on the medial lateral side. So, on the medial side, we call this one medial supracondylar ridge. Then lateral, you have your lateral supracondylar ridge. So, medial lateral here. Okay na. Then below, you now have this, although this would act more as the condyles of the humerus, but that's a more specific name. Okay. On the medial side, kani siyang part, kani siyang shape of hourglass na bony structure. So, say hourglass. Bali-bali niya. So, this is now your trochlea. So, you have your trochlea. So, it's more the medial side. Trochlea. Kaya the lateral, kani more rounded, you now have the capitulum. You have the capitulum. More rounded siya, capitulum. Okay. And then, on the side of this trochlea of capitulum, you have this, pagpalpin niyo a while ago, you have now your epicondyles. On the medial side, you have the medial epicondyle. Lateral, you have the lateral epicondyle. So, medial epicondyle, lateral epicondyle. Here. So aside from this, you also have this mga fossa is depression. Okay, above the trochlea, nakikita ka yung space of fossa depression. So we call this now as your coronoid fossa. So this is where your coronoid process will get inside or enter in flex ninyo sa elbow. So you have your coronoid fossa. Anterior siya. Okay, then lateral to this coronoid process, fossa, this one, above the capitulum, we have again another fossa. We call that fossa na your radial fossa. So radial. So this is where your radial head will tend to sit in there when you flex the elbow. Ano siya? Radial fossa. Lateral. It's called anteriorly tunduha. Okay. Posteriorly, you will have one fossa and it's larger in size. Ano siya? So this is now your olecranon fossa. Wherein your olecranon process gets inside when you extend the elbow back. So that's just the posterior side. Okay? Olecranon fossa. Paano? Okay, so that is for the humerus.